Hi students, this is your favorite instructor. I am doing a short video on how to do our application in our SAM project for chapter 6. It is an access activity. So after you go in, do the access activity where you download the instruction file and you open up the file that you need to be able to use. I need you to look at your instructions. Now, I'm not going to show this on the screen right now because you already know how to print these out. It tells you how to name it. You need to do that correctly. And you need to open the grading info table. Now, I'm going to switch screens because I have two different files up to work with this. So if you click on the grading one, this is what yours will look like, except it won't have your name. It has mine. Okay? Just go with that. Leave that there. You just need to make sure it's there. Okay, so then I want you to work on the tables. It's going to tell you in your project steps, it needs to be in data view. Well, how do you know if it's in data view? You got a little view button here to the left. Click it down. Click data sheet view. So we're in data sheet view. Now, it is going to tell you how to do this step by step. Do not enter any information in here. This is auto numbered, okay? In the name as written field, you're going to enter the complete name as written. In the caption field, you're going to enter the letter J space space. Then you're going to, in all caps, enter Junk by Judy. Okay? And all these directions are on your list of how to do it. But what I really want you to know is this auto-populates. We are in data sheet view. You write it just like this in here. And then your caption is in all caps, but it has two spaces here. And this is the only way to work if you follow these directions. Now, I'm going to fast forward to step 11, okay, in the magic world of this is how you do it. So, I have gotten them all entered in. As you see, auto-populate, how they're written on the sheet, caps, the J, and two spaces. It's all in. Now it tells you, wants you to use the label wizard to create mailing labels. Oh, what are we supposed to do? So what we're going to do is we're going to hit the Create tab. Go all the way over here, click Labels. It automatically tells you to select Index Maker 3. That's Avery. So if you look down here, there's Avery. You have to scroll all the way down. It's quite a bit of scrolling. And you're going to want to choose this one. Index Maker 3 is what it told you. Alright, then you need to hit the Next. Then you need to choose the font name, Arial. You need to choose the font size, and you do have to change it to 12. I've already changed it. Change the font weight to normal, and make sure it's black. And you have to do, that is the first row, first column, 6th row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's how you know it's correct. So then you're going to click Next. It's going to tell you sort the label. It's going to tell you on the first line of the label, include the caption field. Prototype label, available fields. So we're going to hit Caption, take it over. Sort the on the first line of the label, include the caption field. Sort the labels by caption. So you're over here by Sort. Click Caption. Hit Next. Then it's, what do you want to name it? It should be Folder Labels Report. So you would do Folder Labels Report. Just like that. And then it says we want to see the labels that they look as printed. So we're going to hit Finish. Okay, it's not going to let me use that one. I wonder what I did wrong. Folder Labels Report. Okay, so I already have one over here that I did earlier, so I had to put a 1 beside it, and this should fix it. And there we go. This is what your report should look like. So, does anybody have any questions? If you do, please contact me. Thank you. You may wonder why, when I switched from these two reports, why you had some that went all the way down and then you had 2 columns. Our view was the difference. You need to make sure it's in report view. If it's not in report view, if it's in design view, excuse me, not design view, it's layout, well, okay, it is in the wrong view. So if it is in the print preview, you're going to see it like this. You want to see it like this, and that is the correct way to see it. There's just different ways to see it, and so that is how it would be seen. Anywho, I didn't want you to get confused by seeing 2 and 1. It's just a different view. Thank you.